Imagine waking up, checking your Amazon KDP dashboard, and seeing sales already waiting for you, even while you slept. Now imagine doing it without guessing, without outdated tactics, and without needing to publish 100 books. Today I'm reviewing Easy KDP Profits, the brand new 2025 KDP system built for beginners who want predictable royalties with a clear step-by-step roadmap. Stick around, because I've also added $18,000 plus worth of exclusive bonuses you'll get only through the link below. My quick verdict? Easy KDP Profits is one of the most beginner-friendly, up-to-date KDP guides I've seen in years. It cuts out the fluff, shows what's working right now in 2025, and gives you a clean publishing system you can follow, even if you've never opened KDP before. So what exactly is Easy KDP Profits? It's a 120-plus page, step-by-step KDP blueprint that teaches you how to find low-competition niches, create books readers actually want, optimize your keywords, design better covers, price your books correctly, and scale your KDP income month after month. This is perfect for beginners who feel lost or overwhelmed, anyone tired of outdated YouTube tutorials, publishers who published books but barely get sales, people who want a real long-term KDP business, not a quick hack. It solves the biggest objection everyone has. I don't know what works anymore. KDP keeps changing. This guide brings you updated 2025 KDP strategies, real examples, checklists, and a repeatable system you can use to build royalties you can rely on. Now let me walk you through how Easy KDP Profits works, assuming you're watching the screen right now. Inside the course PDF, you'll see the chapters organized in a clean, simple order. First, you get account setup, exact steps to avoid KDP holds, mistakes, and payout issues. Then, the magic begins with 2025 niche research. This section shows you how to find low-competition niches with real demand, how to read bestseller rankings properly, and how to avoid trap niches. Next, you'll see the keyword research system. This is where you learn how to pick keywords Amazon actually rewards. Keywords that push your book to page 1 instead of burying you in the search results. Then there's a full chapter on creating compelling content, how to outline fast, write efficiently, or outsource without wasting money. You also get a big section on cover design, with templates and visual examples of 2025 design trends. Then it moves into formatting and pricing, where you learn the exact layout structure for both ebooks and paperbacks, plus how to price your books for maximum royalties. Finally, there's a full section on scaling your catalog, understanding analytics, creating series, and turning your books into a true digital asset. Everything is laid out clearly, with screenshots and checklists so beginners never get lost. Let's quickly talk about the upgrades. Usually, Warrior Plus products include optional OTOs, like premium templates, and done-for-you covers, advanced keyword packs, profitable niche vaults, KDP automation tools, coaching, and publishing roadmaps. These are optional, but they speed up your workflow. If you're serious about scaling, the done-for-you assets normally offer massive time savings for a small extra cost. Now here's the part many of you wait for, my massive App Verdict bonus bundle, only available when you grab Easy KDP Profits through the link below. You're getting more than $18,000 worth of premium marketing, SEO, traffic, and KDP tools, including WP Slideshow Master, make engaging slideshow-style previews for your books. Lead Book Generator, build email lists from your readers automatically. Keyword Research Ninja 2.0, find profitable keywords across multiple platforms. WP Email Timer Plus, add urgency timers inside your emails to boost conversion. Article Analyzer Pro, optimize your book descriptions and blogs for better SEO. WP Video Focus, keep readers engaged with sticky videos on your pages. Backlinks Warrior, rank your author websites faster using targeted backlink data. Sociultima, drive free social traffic from multiple platforms. Auto Content Machine, create supporting blog content automatically. 100 ready-made niche blogs, build authority sites around your books instantly. VidBuilder Pro, create promotional videos for your KDP books in minutes. List Building Expert, learn how to grow a loyal reader base that buys repeatedly. These bonuses alone can help you build traffic, grow your email list, promote your books, and skyrocket your publishing income. And they're included for free, but only for early buyers through the link below. So here's my final verdict on Easy KDP Profits. If you're someone who wants a simple, proven, updated system for making real money with KDP in 2025, this is one of the strongest guides you'll ever get your hands on. The strategies are practical. The layout is beginner-friendly. The niche and keyword research alone is worth the entire price. But remember, my exclusive bonus bundle is limited to the first 25 buyers only. After that, I'm pulling it down. So if you want the training, the bonuses, and the full publishing roadmap, click the link below before this offer is gone. Thanks for watching. Make sure to drop a like, comment if you want more KDP tutorials, and subscribe for weekly faceless reviews like this. And once you buy through the link below, your bonuses will appear instantly inside your Warrior Plus purchase dashboard under Access Affiliate Bonus. Check the link below now, and I'll see you inside.